Hello, my friends. Welcome back to today's live stream. Hi, Fernando. Welcome back. So, how is your trading result recently, my friend? I hope you had a good trading result. Okay, so let's see what is today analysis for gold price. Not so well. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. By the way, may I know the reason? Because of the losing signal, or because that's you overtraining, or somehow caused this result? Yeah, if I can know the reason, I hope that I can help you to improve that. Okay, overtrading. I see. So maybe you need to relax. Yeah, and wait when your psychology getting calmer and then you come back to trade, all right? Hi Irfan, welcome back my friends. Hi Abbas Islam. Sorry Abbas. Yeah, hi Abbas. Hi Baikin. Hi Bralad. Hello my friends. I see. So that's why you need to control yourself. Yeah, only yourself. How to control your greed. Yeah, the devil inside our each person. That is the devil, right? So whenever we click to buy or sell button, the devil, don't let the devil control our mind, okay? Try to practice, and that's why I always emphasize the discipline is the key word to help us to become a professional trader and bring a good trading result. And it's not easy, to practice, right? So try to control our devil inside each manner. All right. Thank you so much. And I hope that you will control yourself better. Yeah, and receive a good trading result, a better trading result. Hmm, sorry. Yeah, it's a little bit sore throat. So, however, yeah, it's still not affect to the analysis or the signal I give to you today. Okay, so now I'm open a 1 hour chart for you to observe the gold market, and now it's accumulating at the peak area, right? It's heading to 46, near 46.40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nearly 4 times, and got the bearish bullish rejection. Immediately it touched to that peak area. And now, yeah, you can see the bullish momentum is gradually increasing, and it shows you a strong determination of market maker to conquer the next level, okay, the next new all-time high. Hi Nawa, welcome back, my friends. Okay, you are so enthusiastic to every live stream about my trading plan for gold market. And yeah, I'm very happy to share this with you. And like I usually share with you every time, first thing to prepare our plan is that we identify the market channel, okay, and the key support or resistance zone. And currently, you can see that both above and the upper and lower trend line is heading upward, right? All the candlestick is now moving above the three EMA ribbons here. And yeah, it's kind of taking some time for gold market accumulate for a while at the peak area. And as usual, I will observe the reaction of gold. How is this gonna be at the level 46.39 to 46.40. Once again, if the closing price of this 1 hour candle, right? Because we're in the overlapping time between the London to New York session. And if this 1 hour candlestick close below this resistance zone, okay, I will mark for you. Yeah, 46.39 to 46.40. It's got a bullish rejection one more time. Our plan today, we're heading for sell. Yeah, for sell in New York session. By the way, let me take a look. All right, we will have core PPI. Yeah, there are four continuous important news today. Retail sales PPI, core retail sales. All right. So near this time, you can close on the position to protect your profit and your capital. Okay, because we will have four important news in today's New York session. And yeah, the market promising a lot of chop, right? A lot of noise is waiting for us. And if you want to receive the signal to trade news, yeah, welcome to my VIP signal group. Okay, and yeah, now I just can give you the range, yeah, the key zone that we need to wait for the price action, yeah, the price reaction at this area. And you can see now it's moving narrow, right? It's getting more and more narrow and heading to this corner of both resistance line and below trend line. Okay, so is it clear for you to my plan trading in today New York session? If it's breakdown, yeah, breakdown this below trend line, we will wait for the reaction. Okay, wait for the bullish reaction as this support zone. And below here, we have a fair value gap, right? Remember for this zone. This shows you the imbalance between the buyers and sellers at this zone. And if today gold price break down this below trend line and cannot hold its bullish momentum, okay, the buyers cannot win, cannot preserve the current bullish momentum. It's break down from this below trend line and break 46.26. Okay, I will mark this level for you. 26, 46.26 to 24. Okay, it will heading down to 46.13 and easily fill below fair value gap area. All right. So that's why I usually choose this time, yeah, to have live stream and give you the solution. Yeah, for all scenarios of gold markets may happen. Okay, thank you so much. And as if you are my VIP members, that today is another touch wood day for our trading plan. Yeah, and all the scalping signal, most of it, yeah, already hit more than 100 pips profit. Now the bullish momentum is still control the markets well. And I believe that in today New York session, it will break the upper zone. Yeah, 46.40 and heading to a new level. However, we still wait. Yeah, we still wait for the current news economic data release. Okay, there are two types, retail sales and PPI, but divided into four. Yeah, in detail. All right. So it's easily conflict between those news and the market easily sweep for both sides to kill buyers and sellers. Yeah, so if you're scalpers or traders for gold USD more than 6 months, yeah, you will easily see this happen, especially in the New York session. And when we have many news that release at the same time. Okay. And there's also the struggling between Mr. President Donald Trump to Fed. Yeah, the Fed chair Jerome Powell. So is this related to, I would say, um, geopolitical tensions or something like that? And that's why whenever we have anything that's getting stressed, and that is also the reason for gold is heading up higher. And now it's really FOMO to the current gap up that opened in the New York, sorry, in the early Asian session on Monday. Yeah. So the gap is waiting down here and it can easily fill anytime. But we don't know when, right? For this value gap as well, we don't know when that price will fill this gap. It's the story of the near future. However, we always pay attention to and let our guard up as the highest level because yeah, it can be in a panic sell anytime. Okay, it just need one reason, and we don't know when that reason will come out. All right. If we're looking at the back, looking at the history, that yeah, there still have another gap here, and whenever the market open a gap up on early Asian session on Monday, yeah, the market will feel, yeah, will feel that gap. It depends to the time. All right, like this one is always. So that's why control our devil, the devil inside ourselves, inside our mind. How to control it, that is very important, and that is we call discipline. We are facing with a lot of panic sell situation and scenario phenomenons for many times, especially on last October. Okay, and that's why it's the market can easily kill one traders have continuous 100, 100 trades winning trades. Okay, so that's it just all. Yeah, that is all I want to share with you, remind you, and give you warning for today trading. Yeah, you can see that there's a lot of drastically dropping down like this, and the markets never give you the warning. It only give you the warning by yeah by the pattern, yeah, candlestick pattern that we have learned. And if you want to learn for that pattern, candlestick pattern, you can join in the VIP signal group and I will share with you in detail. Or you can watch my video that I posted on YouTube. Yeah, just the brief and I will answer. I will answer all of your questions. Okay, so let's come back to the current. So now it's still heading slowly. Yeah, it's still growing slowly and haven't give us any decision yet. Let's take a look in a smaller time frame. I would like to delete this fair value gap here to make our chart become easier to observe. Simple, yeah, become simple. Hi, Guli. Earlier than yesterday, right? All right. So now I haven't had any signal yet. So yeah, let's wait. Okay, so now I'm still waiting for the reaction at 40 to 39. Okay, so meanwhile waiting for the market, would you like to receive a limit order, a limit signal? Would you like to receive it? Yeah, wait with patience. But by my analysis here, so would you like to wait for the pending order? Hi, Najam. Okay, only you agree. So, and how about everyone else? Do you want to receive my pending order for today live stream signal? Okay, so I need more friends to agree. Okay. Hmm. Anyone else? Anyone is watching watching the live stream today? Hmm. So I hope that you can see my willing, yeah, to open the live stream even though I have a sore throat, because I really want that every trader, when you join in my live stream, you will receive the process experience and lessons, and also make money by qualified scalping signal I give to you. And my friends, to support me, yeah, you can click to subscribe button and like for today video. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know that's when I got sore throat. It's hard for me to say. However, I always want to try, yeah, to try to open YouTube and live stream with all of you, because that, yeah, is also the way that helped me to recover quickly. That's when I speak, when to interacting with you. Yeah, it's a good method, a good treatment method for me to recover the sore throat better. Okay, let's do it. By observing the trend line I draw for you on a 1 hour time frame, I will set up a pending order. Hang on a little. Hang on a moment. Okay, so let's set a sell. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to ask you that we did a brief survey or prediction about the signal. Yeah, I just review it. Okay, so no problem. Uh, yeah, I would like to set up a sell signal at the position at the entry 46.41 to 46.39, and stop loss we will set at 46.44. Okay, at the trend line. Yeah, at the trend line I draw for you here. Trend line confluence with the resistance zone. Okay, and for the take profit is will be, yeah, familiar formula, 30 pips, 50 pips, 80 pips, and so on. Okay, game set and get ready, because now it's just far away about $5. Yeah, five price to active our signal. Okay. Are you clear for the current signal, my friends? We have two conditions, right? The first one is trend lines, and the second is resistance zone. Okay. Is it clear for you? You can set the pending order, because now it still have a lot of time before it's heading to today economic news release. Yeah, at 3:30 p.m. according to Frank's time. So we still wait for the market reaction to this resistance zone, and yeah, make money before we trade news. Okay? I hope so. Yeah. All right, because now the market is moving sideways, so I will give you another bonus signal. And that is the buy one. Yeah, this is gonna be the buy bar, buy signal. That's below support zone. Yeah, so I very love you, so that's why I always want my friends watching my live stream today. You will have enough signal, okay? Enough opportunity to maximize your profit. And this is position. I already indicate when when we identify the key resistance zone and key support zone. Like I said, now the market is moving sideways and it's really not good for us to enter any signal right now. So that's why we will observe and set our strategy by key support and resistance zone. Okay, that's gonna be better, and that is called strategy. Resistance and supply, yeah, supply and demand. Support zone. I usually call it resistance and support zone. Some will call it supply and demand. Yeah, there's a lot of names, and it depends to you to choose which one. Okay. Anyway, the meaning is the same. Yeah, one is indicate for the buyer station and one indicates for the seller station. Are you clear for today both gapping signal, my friends? Does it make sense for you? Do you have the same opinion, the same plan trading like me? Okay, thank you so much for your feedback, Najam. So now it's still moving in the range. Yeah, in range. So meanwhile waiting for the market, active our bull signal. Let's take a look for BTC. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is starting slowly a little bit. Ooh, it's like a mattress. Yeah, the support zone. Yeah, the resistance zone I marked for you days before. And now it's got a bearish rejection. A bearish reaction when it touched to 95, 95,800. Anyway, that is still a big accumulation for BTC at the at the zone from 84,000 to 96. Yeah, 97, 97. Sideways at the bottom. However, it gives you the signal that the bullish momentum is getting back. Even though it's slowly, but it's still a significant recovery of BTC after a while heading to 86,000. But if you want to enter the position, it's better for you to wait below here. Now we have a lot of trading volume at 90,000 to 91,000. All right, that is the better place for you. And that is the second entry, and the first entry you can count on is around 92,000. Yeah, 92,000. That is better for you. That is the place better for you to enter the buy position because you can see that there's a lot of fair value gaps here. Yeah, a wide range of fair value gap. And now it's heading to the bearish momentum to make the balance between the sellers and buyers, right? So you can enter small lots for sell position. Yeah, because it's easily fill this fair value gap. And we need to observe the reaction at this breakout area. Yeah, it's kind of late for sell. Yeah, it's really not good a position for sell. However, you can, yeah, small lot for sell to enter the trade because we will wait for the reaction when it touch to below support zone at 94,200. Yeah, that is the breakout area as well. Hi, Dubai. Welcome back, my friend. I'm fine. How about you? Check silver. All right, silver. You know that I just focus on gold market, but for silver, okay, let's try to find it out. XAUUSD, right? So every rare metal it's got a FOMO. Yeah, like a platinum, aluminum, copper, right? Or silver. It's got a FOMO, right? The price is FOMO with gold. So gold is still the major of the game, all right? And it will, yeah, you can say that it's similar to gold because now it's accumulates for the peak area for a while. Oh, why my internet got so slowly? Let's use the Fibonacci retracement to measure the forecasted another peak of silver. But it will different from gold. If you trade silver, you need to lower your trading volume. Yeah, because it's different in calculating the price. Profit and loss, yeah, will be different as well. Extension. And the next level, the next peak, we will observe for silver USD at 92, yeah, 92.3. And the next level will be 96.7. We also watch for 95 and below here we have 97. Okay, let's go back to the smaller time frame. Okay, it's accumulating at the peak area and we need to patient. All right. If it want to heading to 92, it need to break. Yeah, this 1 hour candle is also important for silver. It need to break 90 at least. Yeah, if it want to conquer 92. And when you trade silver USD, it will different to calculate pips, loss and profit. So that's why you need to lower your trading volume. Okay? Lower your trading volume when you trade silver. And it's still moving sideways in this range after form a new all-time high at 91.5. Yeah, 91.5. And let's see in a 5 minute time frame. I will make this lighter, duller for you to see the candles easily. There will be a small trend line here. It's not a good one. It's break the trend line already. Yeah. So for me, silver is still have a strong bullish momentum. And you can concern to set up the signal at wait for buy. Yeah, wait for buy at this area. 90.3. Yeah, 90.3. We have EMAs, we have breakout, we have bearish rejection. Okay, by using price reaction. And it's still gradually heading to the upper trend, yeah, the upper border, like I have draw for you in a bigger time frame. Okay, so that is my brief analysis for silver. For me now, yeah, it's still FOMO for gold price and wait for a while, resting for a while before heading to a new all-time high once again. But if you want to enter a buy position, a good position, you can wait. The first one will be 90, and the second entry will be around 90, 98. Yeah, 98.9 down here. Confluence with trendline and EMA 89. Okay, that is better place for you. And also with it will got the effect from today news as well. Yeah, because gold is a big brother and silver is like a younger brother and other metal. Okay, and any assets, any currency pairs having USD, it will have a big impact when the news released today. Okay, so just got the plan, just got the strategy, and when news happened, we just wait for the price reaction, and then, yeah, we just let it go. Okay, check gold. Yeah, I will come back to gold. Oh, That's interesting. Yeah, you just said the two candles interesting indeed. Yeah, it's dropping quickly from 36 to 28. Wow, dropping down so quickly, right? But it didn't active. Yeah, it didn't active our signal. Let me move it closer because I usually make bargain to the market whenever I set the signal. Yeah, make bargain to the market to have a better position. So how about you guys? Do you hold any position right now? Are you hold any open position right now, my friends? Okay, so now I'm still waiting for it active. Yeah, below buy signal. Hi, Wasim. Do you hold any open position right now? Oh, hi, Sorin. Not yet, right? So we will wait for below entry at 25 to 23. However, still move in this range and cannot explode. Yeah, get out from this range and give us the clearer direction of gold market today. And you know that the spring is getting dense. Yeah, it's getting denser and it's waiting for a bigger explosion and reinforce. Waiting news and let's see what does at New York. Yeah, I agree with you. Let's come back in a 15-minute time frame. It's forming a doji. Yeah, doji candle at the moment after a strong bearish momentum for the last 15-minute candle. Never mind. Yeah, we already had the strategy, so just follow it strictly. Okay. So may I know that all of you get back to work after a New Year holiday yet, or you still enjoy whole your January? Yeah, indeed, doji indecision candle. Yeah, you learn by heart the lesson about the candlestick pattern. Hi, Jahang. So are you still in the January holiday, or get back to your work, resume to work already? Get back to work next week. Okay, that's very good. Yeah, not miss that one. Not really. If we miss, yeah, there's a lot of opportunity for me to enter the trade. If you go to my, if you join my VIP channel, yeah, no worry about the opportunities that we trade in the New York session, especially trading news. And there are also the two pending order according to my gold trading plan. All right, there's a lot of opportunity as long as we need to discipline and patience. Okay, it's really not good for us to open any trades and whenever we open the live stream or open our trading volume, sorry, trading platforms, yeah, like FT5 or NT4. It's not compulsory. Okay, and sometimes it causes you a big mistake if we enter a random train without strategy. All right. Whenever we set any pending order, that is our strategy. Why? Why we set up those order? Why we set up those signal? Because we have enough condition. Okay, enough conditions and the factors that confluence together to set up this signal. Okay, so that's why it's really not missed. If we miss, we can find another one. Yeah. 1 hour averaging but structure is not break. BOS averaging will not work and will work and not. Okay, let's go back to 1 hour candle. Like I shared with you, sorry. Like I shared with you that if today gold market keep on break this resistance level at 46, 40 to 41, it will continue heading up because now gold is really have a lot of support reasons. Yeah, for it's increasing right now. You know, geopolitical tensions, wars, and especially in the Middle East, right? It's not getting calmer, it's hotter, it's getting hotter day by day. So we need to wait for the price action with this resistance zone. And if it's break down from the trend line, it will heading to below support zone. Okay, and if the market have some reason for the panic sell, all traders will get FOMO and enter for panic sell, and it easily to fill this below favorable gap. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much for your asking. Sometimes it got a sore throat, because of the weather. Yeah, I believe that is not affect too much, to the quality of the signal I give to you today. Yeah, you join my live stream today. That is a big support for me to recover quickly. Okay, thank you so much for your asking. Mm. Okay, my friends. Yeah, let's start up for the buy signal. Yeah, let's go back to a smaller time frame because I realized that the bullish momentum is going back. For a few minutes later, before I end today's live stream, yeah, let's set up a buy signal at 46, 41, or buy now. Yeah, buy now small lot first. Buy now, everyone. Okay, this stop loss just set above 28. Yeah, FOMO to the bullish momentum right now. Okay, game set, everyone. Did you follow my signal? It's around 31. You can enter for buy signal. Small lot. This one, yeah, this one will will be a scalping signal. You can see that it continues to got a bullish support for the buyers at this zone, and we have EMA. Yeah, we have EMA as well. Hi, Harry Bao. Welcome back, my friends. I hope that you did not miss the current signal that I just give all of you. Yeah, a little bit sore throat, but I hope that it will recover soon. Yeah, because of your support. All right, our signal is about 10 pips running. 10 pips running, everyone. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can enter for this signal. Remember to set small lot because it's just a bet. Yeah, bet to the market before we have news trading in today New York session. All right, you can wait for below support zone at 24 to 26. Yeah, it depends to your decision. And that's why I advise you to a small lot for this position. Okay, I would like to note in detail. And the stop loss getting tighter. Yeah, just minus 30 pips to play with the market. Tomorrow, do you live again? I will arrange on Friday. Okay, on Friday I will come back to you. Thank you so much for your asking, and I hope that you can join in on time. Come on, we need to push it up. Hmm. If you enter enough signal, don't try to enter too much, okay? Our stop loss will be set at 28. Let's see how this candle close. Yeah, it's nearly hit to the stop loss level. Okay, when the price heading back, you can close the bad position. Okay, this signal just testing for the market reaction. All right, my friends, you can consider to close the position around 31. So let's see, how is this forming for the next two candle? Yeah, so this is just a mini game that we bet to the market before we heading to today New York session. So did you close the bad position? I hope you did. Yeah, close the bad entry. Close the bad entry. On 30 only, okay? That's just my strategy when I enter one signal, having more than entry. Okay, the bear is coming back. All right, unfortunately, it hit the stop loss and heading down severely. Yeah, so that's why I advise you to close 31. And for the signal, yeah, just minus 20 pips, right? Close minus 20 pips. Not a big loss as well. right, so let's wait for below buy entry. Okay, it's about to hit the first one, 25. The bearish momentum is getting stronger. Just hit the stop loss and now getting back to the entry. That's annoying. So are you still fine? Are you still okay, my friends? Are you still okay? Because sometimes, yeah, it's gonna be risky and thrill with the market. Patiently waiting for, okay. Yeah, it just, hmm, far from our entry around 10 pips, 13 pips. All right. Let's see what is going on for the next 5 candlestick pattern, okay? I will waiting with you. Yeah, congratulations that you quit in time. And for me, minus 20 pips. Yeah, it's not a big loss as well. Just enter the buy, yeah, to get a market result. But no, it's fell, but it's not a big risk at all. Not a big deal. Yeah, you see that stop loss is a part of the game as long as you can manage it. And yeah, there you go. If you can manage well, not too much risk you take, and your trading psychology will be calm. Yeah, will be calmer. It's really annoying that it's getting back to the entry once again. When it sweep to our stop loss and continue for the bullish reaction. That is called stop loss hunting. Yeah, we just face with us stop loss hunting from big players that they identify. Yeah, they did research that there's a lot of traders. They will set the stop loss around 28 to 26. And yeah, they kill all of the buyers at the stop loss at their levels. Market will cause you the irritations like this many times. However, you always need to remember your discipline and risk management lesson all the time, like the one I just shared with you. Small lot and close the back entry. You use also volumetric softwares. You can choose the how to say volume profile. Yeah, volume profile to measure the volume trading. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, fixed range volume profile to measure when it, which place, which area you want to measure. Yeah, because of my slow connection. So it's gonna be take a short time to wait for its load. It's load the graphic. Yeah, you can see that this the area of the wick of the candle wick, not too much volume, right? Not too much volume, and you can see it's manipulated at this area 26. Yeah, using volume profile to measure the trading volume at a specific price area is very useful for your strategy. And you will realize that where is the area that big players manipulated the market. Market maker, I hate you. It's keep on challenging us, and no, you never let me to let our guard down. Okay, so this 5 minutes candle is very important. So let's see that it will break down from this trend line or continue to coming back and move in this range for the last second. So how about you, Sonic? Do you use any software to trade or set up the signal? Okay, it's coming back to the range. Yeah, for the next direction of the market, I will continue to upload on my channel on Telegram. And don't forget to join in my free community on Telegram to receive the latest news about the market. And if you want to receive the scalping signal to trade in the New York session, especially trade news in today, yes, very special day. You can also send me a direct message on Telegram and I can instruct you how to join in my VIP channel, okay, VIP community. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining my live stream today and see you next Friday. Goodbye. Have a lovely day.